Good morning, professor and classmates. Today I will talk about descriptions about how to grow a hay and some steps about it. And to begin with, I can argue that agriculture is very important in this day of pandemic, and farmers don't stop working, uh, so that in every home we have this delicious and nutritious food, since regardless they continue working day to day, sun to sun, working very hard, and it is very admirable and is very good. To continue, I inform you about some steps that I did to have my own plantations, and take picture, and I have the picture in my computer. As you can see, the farmers working very hard in these pictures, sun to sun and day to day, and it is very, very important. Well, important details about hay. Where I put the seeds. The first things was put the seeds in pot of use, like this, in pot of use, and I cut in the half and I put land on them. The best way is to put them in black pots or brown pots. And how should I cut the grass? The grass must be cut by the rods, and because it should not affect the plant, like this. And where should I clean? You should clean a good place where there is good light, like this, and away from the trees, big trees. You can see this plant. I'm talking about it later. How far away should it be? And it must have distance of 1 meter between each plant, like this. One plant here and one plant here, 1 meter, and 2 meter for when we are going to harvest. You can see there should be no trees or big plants, because they can fall on your crop. I have to get the bananas out of there, because they can fall in your plantation, like this. You must leave not very clean area so that insects don't reach your crop easily. The best thing is to plant yams so the insects don't reach your crop. As you can see, they ate the banana leaf and don't reach my plants, as you can see. Well, you must with the soil from the pot to remove plants and cut the pot with a scissor, and the plant will come out easily to be transplanted. You must fill in an area to plant the seed you have in the pot, like this. Then you must make a small ranch, okay, a small ranch, so that raindrops don't affect the plants. You can see the small ranch because the raindrops can affect the plant, like this. My sink has holes and the drops affect some plants, like this. Look, my sink. For this reason, you must cover very well, like in this picture. These bananas are dangerous. Well, more problems. Some insects is cutting my plants. Here you can see they cut my plants, so I transplanted another plant, as you can see. As you can see, okay. Well, let's continue and talk about my work tools or my tools. As you can see, these two are my friends. My friends. I had to create a small one because they wish a lot. They wish a lot. These hairs are very good because they don't affect the plant when being watered. These are and this container I was used to kill the ant. You must wear boots like this, but because in flip-flops the ant bit me, and ant bit very strong. You can see a little ant in my foot. These are the only chemicals used to fertilize and kill ants. Its name is Ormitox. and it is a fertilized. In this picture we can see how I kill the ants. It is the eggs and eggs. Babies soldiers and others ants. Well, how to fertilize the ají? And how to fertilize the ají? Well, it is easy. You must put three or 5 grains of fertilizer at a distance of 1 inch, like this, 1 inch from the plant. And to conclude, it is my first ají that I planted here, with its good distance, as you can see, one here, and when these are large, you must cover the rods like this, because the rain affected. And it's all my project, and thank you very much, Professor, to pay attention about my steps, about my plantation. Well, if your plant have yellow colors, and its die is because it's raining very much. It is the problem, because they die. It's all. Thank you.